Here I've got CROSSCALL Action X3 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open sound, and here you should pick phone ringtone. And now let's come along with all the ringtones. And I will pick Wonderland, so simply click on OK once you decide which ringtone should be your default one, and it's actually done. So this is how you can change ringtone in your device in your CROSSCALL. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.